Guys, it's Eric Otto. I come your way once again with yet another episode, which I always tell you, if we meet here on this platform, we talk nothing but the best of auto tips and vehicles. So today I'm going to teach you something about radiator cap, and in this video we are going to talk about radiator cap, how to use it, when to change it, and the importance of radiator cap. So you know what we are going to do. Please, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay notified when we upload a new video on this platform. But I thank you, all the viewers out there, for your best support concerning my channel. I really appreciate about it. So radiator cover plays a major role on the cooling system, car cooling system, which I am going to explain to you about this video. What is the importance and the uses of radiator cap? A radiator cap keeps the cooling system pressure, which raises the boiling point, and the radiator cap also has a vacuum valve. This is the vacuum valve. You see, this is the vacuum valve. It has a vacuum valve that allows coolant to flow from the reservoir tank to the radiator during cool down, so which is very important. This is why at times it convinces us, but Eric Otto is here to teach you and guide you and give you all this useful information. And you know what, it is free. For someone to teach you this might cost you thousands of dollars, but hundreds of dollars and whatever now, and I'm giving it for free. So this is how this car generated overheating. That's why I'm doing this video for you. Same thing happened when a customer failed to check it. So it is very important for you to change it once a while, which I'm talking about radiator cap. If you change it once a while, it will help you a lot to escape from this unnecessary overheating on your vehicle, and it's not costly, which is currently maybe it's not up to $2. Let's say $2, which is very cheap. So you have to change it once a while. Whenever you come across, the sale is very high. Once again next time.